What's up, y'all? What's happening? Time to get this do done. Let's go. Okay, now I'm ready. Almost. Shout out to my mans and them. Origins Unknown Fitness here on YouTube. Y'all don't mind me, she goofing for no reason sometimes. Let's get into this. So my hair is already pre-sectioned. I told y'all I would probably break those larger parts in the back down. I ended up doing that. I think that initially I was going to break it up into 3, but as you'll see by the time I get done with this, I think it ends up being 4 very uneven sized boxes, but it is what it is. So I'm just using my mirror to check the size of the boxes. The first one looks like what I'm going for, so we're going to stick with that. Now the hair that I'm going to be using for the knotless braids is from a previous style. I had some chunky, maybe about 10-ish large feed-in plaids that I was kind of worn bone. So I took that hair down and I'm just reusing it here. I'm going to use the Lotta Body, what is that called? The wrapping foam. Sorry, y'all. It is very early in the morning while I'm so-called trying to do a voiceover. But instead of using like jam for the roots and to smooth the hair down, I'm going to use the foam to see how that works out. So I'm taking about 3 strands of hair per feed-in plait. I'll just take each strand, put it in between my pointer finger and my thumb. Go around 1 iteration of a plait. Add another piece between my pointer finger and my thumb. Do another iteration of a plait, and then add the final piece and plait down. Now when I'm plaiting the back of my hair, I usually will plait down far enough to a point to where I can transition my hands, as you can see right here, where I can turn around and then more quickly finish that plait. Alright, so we have 3 of the 4 done. I believe this plait is probably going to give you the best view of how to do this yourself. Okay, so now we're transitioning to the front. We are almost done. So this is giving you another angle, how to position your hands and still feed in the plaits with ease. I will go ahead and say this as well. It is important for you to try and pick up enough pieces to make sure that your braids are all the same size. As you saw at the beginning of this video, I was reusing hair, and you'll see here in a little bit that I have plenty more hair left. But I was being too lazy. I didn't want to open another pack and get more pieces, so some of my plaits are not all the same size, but that's okay for me. I'm also going to curl the ends, so the ones that are shorter in the front will give me like a tapered look and it'll be curly. So I'm not really concerned about how the ends look, and I'm not concerned that some of them are more thick or less thick than the other. Girl, look at me doing a link check. How many times when y'all are doing the style do y'all do a link check? And then check the roots of your plaits every 2 days looking for that 1 inch to grow. Don't play. All right, so we are almost finished here. We are going to get into some styling options, I should say, toward the end of the video, as well as I'm going to show you how I curl the ends. Spoiler alert, I did forget to record the final look after the hair dried from me curling it, but hopefully this is sufficient and you still try it. What's y'all's happy dance when you hit that last one? Alright, so now I'm just gonna lay down my edges a little bit. Nothing major. Using some Got2b glue gel. And I also mix that with Gorilla Snot. These edges be real. So I'm not gonna tie it down here, but I usually will tie it down like overnight. And then my edges are laid for a few days. So while we're laying these edges down, I want to thank you so much for watching the video. For those of you who continue to watch my previous videos or share them or like them, I appreciate it. If you would take the time to support the channel for free by subscribing and smashing that like button. Thank you so much. Coming up next are going to be some styles that you can try it if you'd like. Again, this is just how I get from point A to point B with a style. Yep, rock on, freaky bro. Thank you guys so much for watching. Finish up, take a look at the styles, and I'll talk to you next time. I was gone, but I think this is my favorite style of them all. Enough for me playing this hair. Y'all take care and be blessed.